I am Giselle Juarez Linahan Giselle, a second-year college student, a Bachelor of Physical Education student. The purpose of this reflection is to summarize the key concept of what we studied and how these ideas influence my future teaching as a Bachelor of Physical Education student. And now, let's start. One important thing that we learn is the learning theories, included the behaviorism and constructivism. First, we need to talk about the behaviorism. Behaviorism it is structured and effective learning strategies. It's for the student to address their problems and specific learning skills. And as a teacher, you need to reward a student for a specific behavior, but you need to teach them how to do the specific works within the time. And also, behaviorism it is very important to explicit information. And while the constructivism it is very important, it is recommended for all the students for the experience to achieve their critical thinking skills and highly recommended. It is very effective and more relevant and reliable. Constructivism can build through experiences of the student, and you need to guide your student through the lesson. Next is the cognitive development. We have the younger student and adult student. Younger student is more on visual and practical hands-on. For example, of visual and practical hands-on is the puzzle or the scramble words. For example, I will create an activity that to test their critical thinking and also how to arrange or rearrange the scramble words. For example, exercise, I will scramble it and the student will arrange it in the proper order. While the older student is more on critical thinking skills. For example, of critical thinking skills is the question and answer, how to respond immediately, and their answer is clear and very reliable and relevant. Next is the differentiation and learning factors. I know that all students have a differentiation and learning factors. Maybe some of the student is more on practical and half the student is more on theoretical. As a bachelor or physical student or future teacher someday, I will consider my student that have a disability or have a problem to their body because you need to provide alternative learning because this is very important for the student able to survive that situation. You need to understand their condition. And for example, some student is more on practical. I will give them a task to perform a hip hop or dance sports, and while the theoretical more on the student, I will give them a research problem that to build their critical thinking skills, and that is the differentiation and learning factors. Good afternoon once again, class.
Good afternoon, sir.
Now, before we proceed to our main topic, let's have activity 1 entitled. Okay, class, please read our directions.
I will show you a word. You must choose whether it is a fitness event or health issue. Raise your hand if you want to answer.
Did you understand, class, our directions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you understand our direction, let's proceed to our number one. What do you think to summarize our topic for today or for our generalization? Why it's important to join or even start your own fitness event like personal growth as a future educator someday or future agents for change. I will create a effective learning strategies for my student because I was remember that I am a child that dreaming for a big dream. And now I am an adult student that have a big dreams for myself and for my family. And personal growth build me. This is very important to embody as a future teacher. Personal growth happen with experience, with try, even though so many challenges, you need to stand brave and you need to stand strong because there is no someone to help you but yourself. You need to help yourself to grow and you need to help yourself to survive. And little by little, I will achieve my ultimate, my growth, and also my dreams. It's very important to us as a future teacher someday or future agent for change that you need to make a meaningful learning experience for your student because you need to promote the inclusive education for all and you are the role model for the next generations and to others. Thank you. After all, I will promote a holistic development and inclusive education for all because this is very important that no one is left behind in terms of education. And I will promote it as a future teacher someday or future agents for change. Once again, I am Giselle Waris Lemehen Jusine, a second year college student with a program of Bachelor of Physical Education.